Welcome to another video. In this video today I'll be unboxing a vlogging kit. It's a PK771 vlogging kit. Also we'll be unboxing a A100 Action Camera. Actually I've already unboxed before I decided to do the video, and put them in my Jamaican made bag. From Heavy Manners. You can find Heavy Manners on Instagram, to get your bag, blessings. So the PK771 vlogging kit comes with a microphone, a smartphone holder, a LED video light, a tripod, and a storage bag. But as I told you earlier in my intro, that I already have my Jamaica made Heavy Manners bag so that I can store my vlogging kit. Now, the specifications. It's a flexible tripod, wrappable legs with a 360 full turn. So you would press, hold, and turn. So it's a 360 degrees full turn for all angles. So it's a flexible tripod. So this is a universal LED video light, and the universal, for the universal LED video light to work, it works with batteries, and the batteries that it works with is a AA battery. Now to install the battery, you will identify the negative and positive side of the battery. So the negative side will always go along the spring to install. See him? Negative side spring. So that your LED video light can work. Now, the smartphone holder, comes with a spring so that it can extend to hold your smartphone. It also comes with a microphone, and with this microphone, this is the real reason why I bought this vlogging kit. Sometimes when you are doing a video, people would complain that they are not hearing you properly. So to use this microphone, so because I'm an Apple product user, I had to also buy a converter cable, which is a lightning to head jack, so that I can convert the jack to the lightning to connect to my Apple smartphone. It also comes with a remote control, and the remote control turn on, and then it can control whether you're doing a video or taking photos. Great. Now it's time to fit up my PK PK771 vlogging kit together. So I'll get my tripod. Based on the image, I'm trying to follow the instructions. Then I'll take my LED video light. Attach my microphone. So it's that simple, you know. And I'll turn on my LED video light. This is what it looks like. This is the finished one. So after setting up my PK771 vlogging kit, I can now shoot unboxing the A100 Action Camera, which is called an APE-MAN, APE-MAN, MA. So the A100 Action Camera specifications are Ultra HD 4K video, 2-inch touch display, 20 MP photo, 40 meter waterproof, you know, so it's all in 4K. So based on the specifications that the A100 Action Camera carries, I would say that I'll make quality video, you know, even though it's similar to GoPro, because it's less expensive. I wouldn't say that the quality would be the same, you know, but based on the specification, which include time-lapse recording, built-in Wi-Fi, timer shooting, anti-shaking, based on all those specifications, I'll still have quality content, you know. And I would say for a startup, a starter content creator, you know, a less expensive product, you can try the A100 Action Camera. Now, the A100 Action Camera it also use battery. Now I'll install the battery. After I install the battery, I'll try and turn it on. It carries a battery, to use a battery. So I'll install the battery. So after installing the battery, I'll turn on the camera. It says no SD card. So to use this A100 camera, I'd have to add a SD card to it. So because I don't have an SD card now, I can't shoot from the camera as yet. So based on the specifications, it says it having built-in Wi-Fi. Carries a space for a SD card, and also comes with a charger cable. So because I don't have the SD card as yet, I can't shoot from it. So I'll take over the battery. Now the A100 also can use underwater. Now, because I've never used it before, I'm not sure if it can, use underwater without the protective shield. So it also comes with a protective shield. So with the protective shield, this is what it looks like. Now it also comes with a tripod holder, So you connect your tripod holder. Connecting your tripod holder, then you can connect your tripod. Now, so as I said, it looks similar to a GoPro, but I will not say it can replace a GoPro, because the price is like $100 US. A GoPro is much more expensive than that. With the specifications, I believe that I'll make good content from this A100 Action Camera. a startup content creator, you can start with this A100 Action Camera. So thanks for watching.